If you want to get free traffic for affiliate marketing, you can apply this 5 simple step strategy that we're gonna talk in this video. We will also reply these questions for helping you to understand not only how to get free traffic, but also how to make more money. Your success on affiliate marketing depends on getting traffic for your content and generating sales. But even before them, the initial step is promoting the right products. Before starting to get free traffic for affiliate marketing, you need to decide which products you will promote because you're gonna create a lot of content about them and you don't want to end up promoting products that your audience has no interest. So if you can't decide which products you want to promote, you can use this checklist. A right product is a product that you already use and you love it and you know it is useful, or it's a product that it is interesting for your target audience, and if possible, it has also high commission rates or gives you a recurring commission. To give you an idea, let's take my channel as an example. My channel's target audience is content creators. So products like cameras, microphones, headsets is suitable for my audience. And there's already this microphone that I'm using, so I created a product video about this microphone. The only problem is it has a low commission rate because it is Amazon affiliates and their commission rates are always very low, like 2% or so. So I make around $4 per sale. So how do you make more money through affiliate marketing? You need to find products either with higher commission rates or with a recurring commission. Here's how you can find them. You visit a product's website, and if they have affiliates, you should find a link somewhere, usually on the top or on the footer section. They usually pay higher commission rates than Amazon, so you can apply for their affiliate program directly from the company's website. With this method, later I find another product with a 20% commission rate instead of 2%, and it is also recurring. So keep in mind and note down this checklist, and it will become much easier for you to make more money through affiliate marketing. So after you decide your product, let's say you will promote this camera, the second step will be deciding your content type. To start getting free traffic, you need to create content and then share it on social media. But the question is, which social media platform should you choose? Should you post content on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, or maybe all of them? The short answer to this question is your type of content will decide your social media platform. For example, if your content type is a long-form video, like a 10-minute tutorial video or a product review video, then YouTube can be your main platform. If you are going to post short-form content, then you can use YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels. If you prefer to write blog posts, then you can use Medium or Substack or X and so on. The type of content you want to make is actually up to you, but according to many researchers, video content consumption is on the rise. Many people these days prefer to be on TikTok or on YouTube instead of reading. So as the third step, depending on your content type, you will decide your main social media platform. The good news is every social media platform offers free traffic, and every type of content, either long form or shorts or blogs, has the potential to get thousands of views. But to make a better decision for you, you need to find out or understand which social media platform aligns better with the type of your content you create. Because each social media platform has their ups and downs, their advantages and disadvantages. For example, YouTube has a massive audience with monthly over 2.5 billion visitors. Videos on YouTube continue to get views months, even years after you post them. YouTube is also a search engine which can drive traffic through searches, and they don't change the algorithm that much, it is more consistent. But there are also some downsides of YouTube, which is creating videos requires significant time and the platform is very competitive. It is hard to grow for small channels. TikTok, on the other hand, has a virality potential. Each video has there a higher potential to go viral. TikTok is more suitable for short form video content, and you can create videos much faster on TikTok since they have a short duration. But the algorithm of TikTok is very unpredictable. We don't have much information about the TikTok's algorithm, so making viral videos on TikTok is very unpredictable. If you choose Instagram as your main platform, it is ideal for visually driven content like images, carousel posts, listings, and even short videos with Reels. And also creating content is relatively easy and takes less effort on Instagram. because the lifespan of a content on Instagram is very short and they make a lot of changes on the algorithm which can affect your content performance and makes it difficult to become successful. Moving on Twitter, X as its new name, producing content there is a lot easier and faster since it is mostly text-based, and you can also send traffic from Twitter to your actual long-form content easily, whether it is YouTube or your own website or somewhere else. But as you know it, last year Elon Musk bought the platform, so they make a lot of changes now and the platform is currently very unstable, and it also has a lot of negativity. You can get negative trolls or hate comments which can demotivate you quickly. It is not a clean, supportive platform like YouTube, for example. After choosing your social media platform, the next step, step number 4, will be to start creating content. Content creation takes a lot of time, especially if you are creating long-form videos and you probably have a full-time job or a school or a family, which makes it difficult to find time for content creation. That's why, if you have resources, I suggest you to hire someone, can be a scriptwriter or a video editor or a social media manager. But if you don't know someone who can help you, then there are many freelancers you can find on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. As an alternative, there are AI tools that you can use which will help you to create content faster, such as Opus Clip, Glink AI or ChatGPT. I am also using AI tools for my videos to speed up the content creation process. If you need more information about these AI tools, you can find my other videos in the description below. And step number 5 is collecting feedback after you start posting content on social media. Collecting feedback can be done in different ways, like comments or questions from your audience and your content's analytics. Let's take YouTube for example. When you post a video on YouTube, it gives you important data such as how many people clicked on your videos, total watch time, and the percentage of audience retention. By using this data, you can find out some important things like your audience's interest, how your content performs, and how many people are actually clicking and watching your videos. If you study this data and improve your content, then you will start getting more views, more clicks, and eventually more sales for affiliate marketing. So these are the 5 simple steps that you can follow to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Affiliate marketing is a large topic and we will continue talking about it in another video later. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.